Every night around the world, nearly 1 million people go to bed hungry. Look around, that's 1 in every 7 people. Hunger is broadcasted as a problem in other corners of the globe. But the reality is, this issue prevails in our very own backyard. In fact, 21.4% of residents in St. Cloud live below the poverty line. The week before Thanksgiving break, CSB SJU worked to raise hunger and homelessness awareness to inform students through various events.
There we go.
Do you guys think this is enough onions for 50 people?
We gather at CSB and SJU, and then we go to a location. So in this particular instance, it's the Salvation Army. For today, we are preparing and serving food for those in need at the Salvation Army. Whereas if we're at Place of Hope, sometimes we're at their thrift store and we're organizing and providing resources. It's a way to empower those who are trying to get back on their feet, which is helpful with our mission at Campus Ministry of, being there to serve the poor and being a light to St. John's and also the greater community.
Any salad, guys? No?
Sometimes seeing the statistics about hunger across the world and even locally, it seems startling, but it's hard to even imagine that. And what the Hunger Banquet does a great job of doing is turning those statistics into a real-life simulation.
You're sitting over here. You represent the 20% of the world's population with the highest per capita income. You are fortunate enough to be able to afford a nutritious diet. As a group, you consume 70% of all the grain grown in the world.
If you're sitting over here, you represent nearly 30% of the world's population. You are the folks who live on the edge. For many, it would take losing only one harvest to drought or a serious illness to throw you into poverty.
Many of you are frequently hungry. It is quite likely that you don't get the minimum number of calories your hardworking life requires. Many of you are homeless or living in structures so flimsy that a hard rain or strong wind can cause a major catastrophe.
Requiring students to answer questions, to earn dessert, shows the roots of inequality that lie in lack of education and lack of resources, and how difficult it can be to climb your way up and to work yourself out of poverty.
Hunger and Homelessness Awareness Week further exemplifies the need for the College of Saint Benedict, our Catholic Benedictine institution, to incorporate principles of sustainability as a commitment to stewardship. Our actions should be ecologically sound, socially just, and economically viable today to provide the best environment for future generations.